Welcome to Choka International. I am Nilamarjana speaking. This is first trial presentation of engineers, the Barc Electrical Engineering Electronics Communication Engineering 2020 exam going to be conducted from April 1st week. Here the first problem, Kirchhoff's current law is implicit in the expression. What is the expression? Kirchhoff's current law at a node, current income is equal to current outgoing. As a result, so del J is equal to del sigma by dt. At a point del by dt is equal to 0, so del J is equal to 0. Del point del 0, so del J. The answer is equal to del J is nothing as but division diversity theorem. It is the J into this J into J dot ds, the whole integration J dot ds and J dot, so that is integration J dot ds is equal to 0. And it is a infinite long line. You have to take a current at a point that is equal to mu 0 of I by 2 pi a. A is the distance. Here the flux density of field and flux density is equal to already there 2 into 10 to the minus 6. So current will become 10 ampere. So in the microwave oven, heat the food is by the dielectric heating. Here the question number 3. Actually the curl H is equal to displacement current into conduction current. J is the conduction current. D differential d by dt is equal to the displacement current. So answer will be displacement current. In the question number 4 is that nothing is there. You have to calculate the current. So you make one loop also because initial current is there. Initial current circuit 2 ampere. Only simple you have to make 2-3 calculations so that the current will come is equal to 0.5 plus 4.25 e to the minus t. In the next, there is a mutual inductance circuit. So V is equal to Vs minus 1 by M by L1. So the bandwidth of the in the radian per second the system whose transfer function is 1 by S1. So 1 by S1 nothing. You go to 1 by JW. JW you make a square 1 by J 1 plus 1 by root over 1 plus omega square. The bandwidth is equal to 1 by root 2. So omega will be 1. That is bandwidth will be 1. Here the only nodes are there. No need to repeat. Only nodes are there. What is the IE protocol, parallel communication, TCP, computer communication, hard protocol, field bus systems, spectrum analyzer, portray amplitude as a function of frequency like this. So nothing to describe here. In the digital voltmeter, the oscillator frequency is 400 kilohertz. Ramp voltage falls from 8 to 0 volt in 20 milliseconds. And the ramp frequency is equal to 1 by 20 milliseconds is equal to 50 hertz. Oscillator frequency is 400 kilohertz. So number of pulses is equal to oscillator frequency by ramp frequency, it will be 8000. Then Gauss factor is equal to sigma r by r or sigma L by L. And this is already r is equal to r. The L by L strain already mentioned 10 to a minus 4. And r change is equal to 0.5. Our total r is 500. So Gauss factor will come 5. Gauss factor will come 5. Here the matrix is there. Matrix you have to go to the eigenvalue. Characteristic is equal to lambda I by so characteristic is lambda I minus A is equal to 0. If you put A in this characteristic equation, it will come lambda minus 1, 0, 0, lambda minus 1, 6, 11 and lambda plus 6 is automatically lambda eigenvalue will come minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Here GS is there. GS is the open loop system is 0.8 by S square plus S minus 2. The S square phase S minus 2 is equal to factorial S minus 1 S minus 2. So pole, one pole in the one pole in the right half of the right hand side, that is unstable. So steady state output will be unbounded, and the GT will be K1 ET minus K2 E2T. With this, the present accomplished. If you like it, subscribe, put the bell icon. Thank you.